Learning English can be a challenging process, but there are several strategies that can make it easier. Immerse yourself in the language. The more you expose yourself to English, the easier it will become to understand and speak it. Watch English language TV shows and movies, listen to English language music, and read books and articles in English. Practice every day. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Make a commitment to practice English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Use online resources. There are many free online resources available to help you learn English, such as grammar websites, vocabulary apps, and language learning communities. Find a language partner. Find a language partner who is also learning English or is a native speaker. You can practice speaking and listening with each other and provide feedback and support. Take a course. Taking a structured English course can provide you with a solid foundation in grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. There are many courses available online or in person. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to try speaking English, even if you're not sure if you're using the correct grammar or vocabulary. Remember that learning English is a gradual process, so be patient and persistent in your efforts. Good luck.